Hey guys, Jack here. I've talked about this on the show a lot. This is what's known as a U-Siphon or an aquarium siphon. And basically what it's doing is it's replacing the need for a bulkhead to penetrate these tanks and connect them together. The reality is they actually do have bulkheads, so here it's an insurance policy. And all this is it breaks there, is just 3 pieces of PVC pipe. And it's important that these two be the same length, and then 2 90-degree connectors. And you want to make sure these are, like I put these together with a like a rubber mallet. You want to make sure they're sealed. I generally don't glue them because if you want to do something else with them, take them apart. I always say pipe is free and fittings are expensive. And all you do to make this work is just fill it up with water. And there's one tricky part to it. I'll show you here in a second. And then you want to keep this as level as possible with it as full as possible, like this. And then just real quick, that's all you got to do. And if you want to make sure that you've got it, you can pick it up and fill it full of water. And what's going to happen now, you can see I have this little shim in here because these tanks are not quite exactly the same height at the top. Anytime this water level is lower than this water level, it's going to draw water over or back the other way. It'll constantly level itself. You never have to deal with it again. And again, this can be used like an insurance policy because actually I can tell you right now, this one's holding a little extra water because my drains down here will occasionally kind of clog up. So by having those, if they clog up, I don't lose my connection between them, and that way we don't have one tank overflowing with the other tanks low. So it's really easy, and there's unlimited applications for this. Anytime though you want to link 2 tanks together, you would normally do with a bulkhead. It can be done with this. This is 1-inch pipe. If I was doing this without the bulkheads also, I'd probably go up to like 2-inch pipe, and I'd probably put 2 of them in. 2 is 1, 1 is none. But this is low tech. It's pretty bulletproof. Very, very easy to do. It's a great thing to know how to do. It's something I think everybody that does aquaponics or aquaculture should be able to do. There you go. There wasn't any good videos on YouTube about it, so I put one out for you.